Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of my dining room makeover as promised. In this video I'll be showing you how I transformed this very cheap radiator cover I purchased off of eBay into something so beautiful and so pretty to look at. So to start off with, I'm covering the white panels and pieces with high gloss white DC Fix. I did this to all the pieces that came in the flat packaging. So here I've got the front facing of the radiator cover right side down. Different attempts of trying different methods, this was the best one, with a little help from my daughter. Now I'm adding Marble Effect DC Fix to the finishing top piece, just to go with the rest of the decor of the dining room. So here I have a 1200mm in length mirror, and overall I needed just 1000mm, so I had to remove 200mm, and it didn't go as planned. I'm going to alter the building of the radiator cover, because if you see, that's how it's meant to be, and that piece of wood there is too high. I'm adding feet at the bottom there just so it heightens the cover to fit my radiator. I've purchased these feet from eBay. That's 4 pieces. I'll be joining them joining them like so to add a bit of height to the radiator. So what I've had to do is I'm going to have to drill different holes for fitting. The holes were meant to be them 3 there. I'm going lower and the holes will be down here. That will give the radiator a little bit more width. That's what I'm working on now. We covered all the panels because, as you can see, the actual white is a very ugly lilac. Here I've laid the mirror over the cabinet front. Fortunately it did break while I was cutting it. I'll be attaching the mirror with these corner brackets. To protect the mirror, I've added a very thin film of this same thing that came with the packaging. What happens when I lay that over that is a tiny gap between the bracket and the cabinet, so I'm going to try to fill that gap so that it doesn't add more pressure. The crack will only be shown in one tiny corner. I used Gorilla Glue and screws to join the pieces together. So I measured up the wall, attached the wall mounting brackets, then I attached the radiator cover to the wall, which was so easy to do. So here's the finished radiator cabinet. I am absolutely thrilled with it. It's turned out even prettier than I expected. Something so unique I've never seen before, never seen anybody do this before. Please stay tuned if you want to see the reveal of my dining room. See you in the next week's video. Bye.